I think part of the reason for the inflation is this ridiculous government policy of just printing money like there's no tomorrow and throwing it at everything and paying people to not work. But the other thing that's caused this particular piece of inflation is very unusual, and I didn't see it coming, but looking back on it, I kind of feel like I should have seen it coming. Anytime there's an earthquake at sea, following that, there's a tsunami if it's a major earthquake at sea. So you'll get a 10-story wave that hits the shore days later or hours or whatever later after the earthquake at sea. The earthquake at sea was the pandemic. We shut the economy completely down. We shut down all factories. We shut down all supply chain. We shut down all production and most consumption, but not all of it. And then we put people back to work, sort of, but we paid them to not work. So we disrupted